Press the power button to turn on the heater. One click on the down button turn low heating level and another click turns it off. One click on the up button turn high heating level on and another click off. Click on up and down button at the same time turns child lock on. Touch screen will not be responsive unless clicked again. One click on the setting button sets the desired temperature. Press up or down buttons will change the temperature. Second click on the setting button sets the timer. Press up or down button to add 1 or reduce 1 hour. Third click on the setting button changes the frame color. Make sure to select low or high heating level before setting desired temperature and the heating symbols are displaying. Download the app Smart Life and add device. Scroll to small home appliances on the left and select heater Wi-Fi. Enter the corresponding password to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Hold the setting button for more than 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. Confirm that the icon is quickly blinking on your device. Then wait for the device to be connected. Once connected, turn switch on to start device on your phone. Change desired temperature with up or down buttons. Current room temperature shown below desired temperature. Click on DP level to change heating level. Click on DP countdown set to set timer. Click on setting for more functions. You can switch on or off child lock. You can switch on or off light to control flame effect. Temperature unit convert switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can turn sleep on to turn off display on heater. You can change flame color. And set timer. Press the power button to turn on the heater. Press the low or high heating selection button to choose heating level. Press temperature setting to set desired temperature. With up or down buttons. Press timer button to set the timer in hours. Directly clicking up or down buttons changes the flame colors. One click on the lock button turns child lock on. Another click off.